Hello everyone, welcome back to Church Slavonic Practicum. Today I want to answer a question that many of you have asked. Why do you write J-O instead of Y-O or J-E instead of Y-E? Great question, and the answer gives us a deep understanding on how languages work. First, a quick reminder, transliteration is not translation. We're not changing the meaning of the word. We're just converting the sounds of one alphabet into the letters of another. In our case, we're moving from Cyrillic to Latin letters using systems that are either popular or academic. Now let's look at the four letters that often confuse people. Ya, you, yo, ye. In every Russian or Church Slavonic, these are pronounced ya, y-a, you, y-u, yo, y-o, ye, y-e. So it makes sense that popular transliterations use y, right? They're easy to read and familiar to English speakers. But here's where the academic side comes in. In linguistics, we describe the sound that starts these syllables with the J sound. That's the same sound as the English Y in yes. But in scholarly transliteration, we don't write Y for this sound. We use J. So ya, J-A, you, J-U, yo, J-O, ye, J-E. It's clear this way, especially when we need to reserve the letter Y for other sounds like U, which is a completely different vowel sound, not connected to J at all. So when you see different spellings like Yelena versus Yelena or Yuri versus Yuri, you're seeing two systems. The popular system made to be reliable to the general public, and the scholarly system made to be precise, especially when studying language structure and sound. On this channel, we focus on Church Slavonic, and that means we need clarity and consistency. So I use the scholarly system. Let's sum it up. Popular spelling uses YA. Popular spelling uses Y. Scholarly spelling uses J. I use the scholarly one so we don't confuse the sound J with the vowel U, which also uses the letter Y in this transliteration. So when you use J-O instead of Y-O, you know why. I hope this helped you understand the mystery behind the transliteration choices. If you want to dive deeper into Church Slavonic pronunciation or writing, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment below with your questions. Thanks for watching and see you next time on Church Slavonic Practicum.